Let's explore how AI is changing the video production landscape. Every Navy tells a story of strategy, technology, and ambition. In this video, we'll count down the top 10 most powerful navies in the world 2025 edition. From fleet size to nuclear capability, from global reach to innovation, let's see who truly rules the seas. Number 10. Italy. The Italian Navy may not be massive, but it's one of the most modern in Europe. Equipped with multi-role frigates, advanced destroyers, and amphibious ships, Italy maintains a strong presence across the Mediterranean. Number 9. India. India's Navy is expanding faster than ever before. With aircraft carriers, nuclear submarines, and long-range missiles, India's focus is clear: controlling the Indian Ocean and securing vital trade routes. Number 8. Japan. JMSDF. Japan operates one of the world's most advanced anti-submarine fleets. Its destroyers and carriers are designed for precision, and its technology rivals even the top Western powers. Number 7. France brings full-spectrum capability, a nuclear-powered carrier, modern destroyers, and a global deployment footprint. Its Navy plays a leading role in NATO and international missions. If you're enjoying this deep dive, hit subscribe and join us for more global defense insights. Number 6. Russia's Navy remains a strategic powerhouse, with nuclear submarines, missile cruisers, and hypersonic weapon testing. But economic limits have slowed its modernization in recent years. Number 5. United Kingdom Royal Navy. Small but elite. The Royal Navy fields 2 modern aircraft carriers, cutting-edge destroyers, and a powerful submarine force. Its integration with NATO makes it one of the most battle-ready fleets in the world. Number 4. China. PLN. China's naval growth is unprecedented. With dozens of destroyers, carriers, and missile frigates under construction, Beijing's Navy is becoming the largest in the world by ship count. Its goal: to project power far beyond the South China Sea. Number 3. South Korea or France. Based on classification, South Korea's Navy has rapidly evolved into a technological powerhouse with advanced destroyers, submarines, and ship-launched ballistic missiles. Their strategy combines speed, precision, and deterrence in regional defense. Number 2. Russia, or China, depending on metrics. Russia's strength lies underwater. Its strategic nuclear submarines form the backbone of its deterrence. While fewer in number, they're capable of striking across continents. Number 1. The United States Navy, USN. No contest. The U.S. Navy remains the most dominant force on Earth, with 11 nuclear-powered aircraft carriers, over 300 combat ships, and the world's most advanced submarine fleet. The U.S. Navy defines global reach and technological superiority. Its worldwide logistics, stealth integration, and AI-supported systems ensure it stays unmatched for decades. Each Navy reflects a nation's strategy. Some rely on numbers, some on stealth and technology, others on geography and alliances. But in the end, the ocean decides who truly holds power. Which Navy impressed you the most? Comment below. And if you enjoyed this, subscribe for more powerful military documentaries and analysis. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay sharp and keep an eye on the horizon.